Make every move your next move and your fucking best move. Cause I'm really on the beat, bout to fucking flex, dude. Cause I came with this shit like a fucking wreck, dude. If a nigga talking crazy, he can get the attitude for a pint up, tonight up. The nigga better write up, cause I'm light up like a light up. And I'm about to fucking fire up, nigga, cause I'm getting higher than a fucking spaceship. Nigga, I ain't playing games, better fucking watch your lips. Nigga, how you niggas feel, cause you out here claiming crip. Nigga, throw your beats up, cause you the motherfucking shit. Nigga, how you niggas feel, tryna hit a fucking lick. Nigga, all these fucking players got me smoking out the zip. Nigga, how you niggas feel, got this bitch and let it rip. Nigga, how I killing shit, cause I was really on my shit. Nigga, I ain't playing games, this ain't no motherfucking clip. With the clip, got a stand up with the on my fucking hit. Nigga, how you niggas feel on the motherfucking list. Nigga, I ain't playing games, it's that motherfucking shit. Nigga, I ain't with the shits. Oh, got a bad bitch and she's so thick, her ass fat and she got some good lips. Niggas always talking, nigga, I'll be bossing. I ain't playing games, put you in a coffin. I don't do no talking, spit and get it stalking. Get the spot on where he at, then I get to chalking. Willis get to walking, Tony fucking hawking. I ain't playing games, bitch, I'm really out here hawking. Beat a nigga ass if he really get to talking, cause I'm really with this shit on my motherfucking exhaustion, nigga. I'm so fucking tired. I was on the floor trying to get the money up and get them fucking hundos, cause these bitches know my name, how I fucking jump those. And if a nigga talking crazy, he gon' get the undo. He gon' get a bad bitch. Nigga, get your sad bitch. Nigga, get your mad shit. Nigga, get your average. Nigga, I ain't playing games, this ain't no fucking cat, bitch. This the fucking cannon, nigga, and you know what's happening, nigga. I beat a nigga ass, this ain't no fucking rapping, nigga. If a nigga talking crazy, we gon' pull a static, nigga. Hit him with the automatic, like what fucking happened, nigga. We ain't playing, this ain't no motherfucking closed caption, nigga. This shit for real. My niggas kill, we from the fields, we beat your ass, we off a pill, we got a meal, we loaded up, we got the choppers and the scopes, we told it up, and hit a nigga and they shit, just trying to fuck with us. I'm so cold, street flows and everything, Beatos and everything, Tito's and everything. Throw my hood up, cause I'm banging with my chicken wing. I ain't playing games, niggas know I'm the fucking gang.